Hello everyone, welcome back. Zain is here, and today I will show you how to apply for Amazon Product Tester in 2025. Want to test Amazon products for free? And in addition to that, you can own the product for life? Whether you are looking to save money or get exclusive items before anyone else, this is your guide. And now let's get started. Step 1. Understand the reality. First, let's clarify. Amazon doesn't have a public official product tester program for everyone, but there are legit ways to become a tester through Amazon Vine or trusted third-party platforms. So don't worry, you will not have to pay, and please avoid scams asking for your credit card. Step 2. Join Amazon Vine. Amazon Vine is Amazon's official program, but it is invite only. So how do you get invited? Number 1, leave high quality, consistent reviews on products you have actually purchased. Use clear language and include pros and cons. Stay active, and Amazon tracks helpful votes from other shoppers. When you qualify, Amazon may email you directly to join the Vine program. Step 3. Try third-party testing sites. Can't wait for your invite? Try these trusted third-party sites that connect brands with testers. You have snackshout.com, apply to test products and leave reviews. Sign up, create a profile, and apply for products that match your interests. Step 4. Build a review profile. To stand out, build a strong Amazon reviewer profile. Use your real name or photo. Write honest, unbiased reviews. Review different categories, home, fashion, etc. Engage with community through helpful votes. This helps boost your credibility and visibility. Step 5. Stay safe from scams. Never trust emails or websites asking you to pay to join a tester program. Amazon will never charge you for product testing, so keep that in mind. Stick to verified platforms, and avoid sharing sensitive info. Now let's recap. Leave helpful Amazon reviews, wait for a Vine invite, or try sites like Repaid or Vipin. Stay safe, stay consistent, and keep reviewing. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and if you have any specific problem, just comment down below.